Okay guys, today we're doing volume. This one should be a super quick lesson because it's very similar to what we're doing with area. It's just a different formula, okay? So we just do things slightly differently when we're working out the question. So obviously volume, we're looking at rectangular prisms, and rectangular prisms are 3D shapes. So that's a little bit different, okay? Before we were doing 2D shapes, these ones are 3Ds. So during this lesson, we're going to use the formula LWH, which is length times width times height, to find the volume of rectangular prisms. Volume is an important calculation to understand as it helps us find the capacity of an object. So what I'm talking about when I talk about capacity, okay, is capacity is like how much liquid you could fit in something. So let's just say that this shape here is a container that you want to fill with liquid. By finding the volume, we're able to work out how many milliliters can fit in this container. So let's have a look at this and then I'll talk about it at the end. So here we're determining the lengths of each side that the formula requires. So our formula is length times width times height, okay? So our length would be 9, our width would be 5, our height would be 4. So I've put that into my formula, and then I've done 4 times 5, and 4 times 5 is 20, and then 20 times 9, which gives me 180 centimeters cubed. Now, it's really important to show all of your answers in cubed units when you are finding volume, okay? Now, one little interesting thing about volume when we find volume is that 1 centimeter cubed is equal to 1 milliliter, okay? So that means that in this container, I could fit 180 milliliters. Now that is information that may pop up in the future in a question that may be helpful to know. We're not going to talk about it too much, but that is something that I suggest that you try to remember. I'm going to get you guys to do some questions here, okay? Straight into the questions. Remember, I'm going to write down this formula for you up here. Volume equals length times width times height. Have a go at these and then we'll go through the answers. Good luck. Okay, answer time. Let's go through these. So, first one here, I'm going to write down my formula, and my measurements are 5 and 4 and 10. Okay, so 5 fours are 20, and 20 times 10 gives me 200 centimeters cubed. This next one here, I've got a length times width times height. So I do 12 times 2 times 2 and 12 times 2 is 24, and 24 times 2 is 48. So I've got 48 centimeters cubed. This next one here, I've got length times width times height, and I need to do 6 times 8 times 8, okay? So 6 times 8 gives me 48, and 48 times 8 gives me 384, okay? And you're probably going to have to do 48 times 8 to work that one out. That's fine. I've actually got a calculator sitting next to me, so I'm sort of cheating here. That's why I'm being able to do the calculation so quickly. 7, so here we've got length times width times height. So volume equals 7 times 7 times 1. 7 times 7 is 49, and 49 times 1 is 49. So that means I've got 49 centimeters cubed, and they are the answers, guys. That is volume. It's pretty simple, okay? It's pretty simple stuff, but just make sure you're following that formula, and then you can get straight into those questions. All right, if you've got any questions, please ask me and we can go through them further. Good luck.